Hello, today we are going to learn how to enlarge a given shape using any scale factor. In today's example of a nut, we are using a scale factor of 5/2, where 5 represents the enlarged drawing and 2 represents the original drawing or reality. On the top left of the screen, we can see the given scale factor, 5/2. So the first step we are going to do is to draw a horizontal line on the bottom of the screen. And from the left side of this line, we are going to draw a diagonal ray of any angle. And where these two lines intersect each other, we will call it point P, as can be seen here. So the horizontal line represents reality, and the diagonal line represents the enlarged drawing. So now, setting the compass to a certain measurement, in the horizontal line, we are going to mark this measurement 2 times. And with the same measurement on the diagonal line, we're going to mark 5 times, corresponding to the given scale. So when we have marked the diagonal line 5 times, then we join point 2 on the horizontal line with point 5 on the diagonal line, as shown here. And this line determines the scale factor. So every parallel line to this line will connect the size of the real object with the enlarged size of what that we want to draw. So now, as you can see on the top left side of our screen, a dimension drawing of a nut, which we want to make an enlarged drawing. We have 2 dimensions that we want to transform. Firstly, 20 millimeters, which is the length of the side of the hexagonal nut. And the second, 10 millimeters, which is the radius of the internal hole of the nut. We mark these 2 lengths on the horizontal line, as you can see here, in a red font. Now you have to draw 2 parallel lines to the first line that we drew before to join these 2 points to the diagonal line, obtaining points Q and points R. And on the right hand side of the screen, we're going to set a center point, which you can see here with a crosshair. So now, setting the compass to the length PR, we are going to draw a circle which is going to inscribe the hexagonal nut. Now we complete the hexagon in a thicker line using the compass, as can be seen here. And finally, we are going to draw the inner part of the nut by setting your compass on point P and with the radius PQ, as can be seen here. And with this radius, we're going to scribe a circle inside the hexagon in a thicker line. So here you have the enlarged drawing of the nut with the scale 5/2. So I hope this video has helped you. Please press like or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Until the next video.